Hi, Kate here from WTI. Now, if you're looking for some convenient seating, either for your dining room table or even for your restaurant, these ones from H. Jinhyu are exactly what you need. I absolutely love how small and sturdy they are. So if you're looking for something that looks stylish but isn't very bulky, this is perfect. It takes up a very small footprint, so excellent for smaller spaces, and they're stackable. So if you need to put them away, easy and compact. They have this beautiful solid wood seat on them. It's a nice dark tone. It has a little bit of texture. And then the frame itself is this beautiful matte black metal. It has rubber feet so that it's not scratching up your floor. And it comes in a set of 4. You can see that the base is quite narrow. It is rated, however, for 480 pounds. So they are very sturdy, but they do not have a very wide seat on them. Very simple to put together. It comes with the screws you need and it goes together in just minutes. And then you have seating for 4. I love the way it looks in my dining room. It has the cozy element of the wood tones, but then also a more modern feel with the metal. So if you're looking for some dining room chairs, I'm sure you'll be really pleased with these ones, and that's my point of view.